Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own cotton candy flavors. We'll start by looking at the basic ingredients you'll need to create a solid foundation. Then, we'll explore the exciting world of flavorings, from concentrated oils to natural extracts. Finally, I'll guide you through the mixing process and share tips for testing your delicious new creations. Get ready to spin up some truly unique treats. To begin, you'll need a solid foundation for your cotton candy. Granulated sugar is the main component, providing the sweet base. Food coloring is crucial for making your creations visually appealing and fun. Adding a small amount of cream of tartar can help prevent the sugar from crystallizing too quickly. Sometimes, a touch of corn syrup can also improve the overall texture. Now for the fun part, choosing your flavors. Concentrated flavor oils are excellent for a strong, vibrant taste, and you only need a few drops. Extracts, like vanilla or almond, provide a wide array of classic options. Powdered flavorings can be easily blended directly into your sugar base. Don't forget natural ingredients, such as citrus zest or finely ground spices, for unique profiles. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix and test. Thoroughly combine your chosen flavorings with the sugar base, ensuring an even distribution. Always start with a small amount of flavoring, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, and add more gradually until you reach your desired intensity. Test your new flavor on a small batch of cotton candy. Remember to record your successful recipes for easy replication later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.